especially with like a lot of, ew, what is this? I don't know, there's something weird on the bottle, but I'm gonna have to wipe it off. Poop? I don't know. Hi, baby. He was sleeping the whole time I went to the store. Hi, Munchkin. He's tired. Okay, you can continue napping. You're so cute, my little baby. My little baby. Yeah. Okay, keep on sleeping. I went to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, as well as all the best pet care for Bronx's treats. So let me do a quick haul. I have the organic mini cheese sandwich cracker. So this is obviously like very similar to the Ritz, I don't remember the exact name, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I feel like this one tastes so much healthier, and it's organic, although, you know, who knows what organic even means these days. And then over here we have the cheddar cheese rocket crackers. This is very similar to goldfish crackers, but I feel like it tastes better. And then I also have this miso ginger broth. This one is very, I want to say it's very mild in flavor, and it's not that salty. I'm kind of curious to know how much salt is in here. Let's see. 26%. I don't know how that compares to like other soups, but it's very mild in flavor, and I feel like if you just add like a dash of hot sauce, you can put tofu in there, dumplings, and like it's really quick. All you have to do is heat it up. So for lunch when I don't have time. Then I also have an iceberg lettuce here. We have a organic sweet bread and butter pickle chips. We also have this chocolate oat beverage. This one, it's a sparkling elderberry and pomegranate apple cider vinegar beverage. It's for Edwin, not for me. Over here we have a red onion. I'm gonna go back over here. This is Trader Joe's Magnifique sauce. I don't know what it tastes like. It kind of tastes like, oh gosh, I forgot the name of it. It's gonna bother me. I can't remember. But anyways, we put this on our burger and it is delicious. Over here we have chili spiced pineapple. It's my first time, so we'll see how this tastes. And then I have a mini hold a cone. This one is peppermint flavored. It's my first time trying this as well. But this I love. It's the chocolate chip one, so it's vanilla ice cream with chocolate chips in there, and it's so cute. It's tiny, and the calories are quite, like, I don't know how it is in comparison to other ice creams, but for 3 cones per serving size and 280 calories, not bad. I can eat 1 to 2, and it's just a perfect size for me. Over here we have the beef steak tomatoes. This is Bronx's whole chicken neck. This is freeze-dried. Yeah, it is. It is freeze-dried for Bronx, and he loves this. We also have these sweet pepper drops from Whole Foods. This I've tried like almost a year ago, and it was delicious, and I found this at Whole Foods, so I'm gonna try. It was like, it's kind of expensive, $11.99 a pound, but this came out to like $2-3, so. And then last but not least, we have this brioche hamburger buns. These are freaking delicious. For lunch, we have ramen. This is the nori, which is no longer crispy because it's been in this bowl. But I see some scallion, there's some spinach, some spicy seasoning, and then of course the pork belly, and then the noodles below that. Oh, I see some bean sprouts as well. So this is from Silver Lake Ramen. And then right now I'm boiling the broth. Look at how cute that is. That's strawberry. It's really creamy and it really tastes like strawberry. So I'm gonna have to mix this all up. And then the color gets kind of, I don't know, not as pretty. But this right here is super pretty to look at. I know it's been like almost a month since Black Friday, but I finally got all my stuff and I finally had the time to unbox them. So I figured I would unbox them on camera. And honestly, some of these things I've been waiting to, I can't really talk because I have this rubber band on my Invisalign now, and so it's a little bit more difficult for me to talk. But anyways, I have been waiting for Black Friday to purchase a lot of these things because at this point I feel like with inflation and just how much money I spent on groceries and all that stuff, and like Bronx's food and his treats and everything else, like things that I do need or will eventually need, I buy them when they go on sale. And also there are some other stuff that I don't really need. They're not necessities, but I've just been waiting and waiting and waiting until Black Friday. That way I can, yeah, purchase these at a discounted price. So without further ado, let's unbox these things. The first thing I wanted to unbox is this Voluspot Pink Citron Grapefruit reed diffuser, and it smells delicious. So I was gifted one of these about, I want to say over a year ago, and I had just been waiting for it to go on sale because for one of these it's $35 US, which is kind of pricey, and I was just waiting for the perfect moment to buy it, which was Black Friday. I think it was like 20-ish% off, but I bought two of these and I've already unboxed it, but I'll show you how my old one looks. It doesn't look as clean, but it is a beautiful black bottle, just like that. It's really elegant and kind of fancy looking. The smell is just like, it's just tropical, bright, fruity. It's like tropical without like the coconutty smell. There's no coconut smell in it, but how Voluspot describes the scent is a kiss from the sun, notes of succulent pink grapefruit, tart starfruit, juicy cassie, I don't know how to pronounce that, wild rose, and solar accords. Honestly, I don't know how any of these smell except for grapefruit. So does it really smell like grapefruit? Not really, but it's just this bright, airy smell, and I love it. So that was my first purchase. The second thing that I got was a milk frother. So I have one from Nespresso, but it doesn't really work as well. I like how the handheld frother, like you can kind of like move it around in the cup. But I bought this one. This one is from Zule Kitchen electric milk frother. I believe this one is battery operated, and there's a ton of different colors. I just bought the one that was cheapest, which is the silver color. I haven't opened it yet, and we'll see. Next, I bought this one I haven't taken out of the box yet, but where is it? Oh, okay, it's in here. Slide it out. Okay, so the next thing I bought is, ta-da! It's this Moroccan hydrating shampoo. I got the big 1 liter, and my hairstylist uses, oh gosh, hold on, I've never seen this brown sticker up on here. I'll have to like take it off, but this brown sticker up here, I've never seen it before, so I don't know. I wonder if it signifies anything. But my hairstylist first introduced this to me, especially if you color your hair, it kind of, you know, it tends to like dry out, damage your hair, but I really personally like this hydrating shampoo. And also the other thing is, I realized that if I use like the cheaper shampoos, I'm not gonna name names, but my scalp gets so itchy. Like I realized that when I go back home to my parents, and I take a shower, like that same day, the next day, I'm like itching my scalp like crazy. And I realized that I can't use those, and it's no offense to the regular, you know, I don't know, drugstore brands, but it just doesn't work for me anymore. So I always stick with Moroccan oil. I've been using this brand for the past 3-4 years. No, 4 or 5 years. I think it's been about 5 years, and honestly I haven't turned back. So I got this one on sale as well. And then the next thing, so if you guys remember my trip to New York City during the summertime, Supergoop was having their little like promotional, not sale, but like promotion, or no, promoting event, where they were handing out free samples, free ice cream if you signed up to like get text messages and special offers. And out of one of the samples, there's this one called, it's called the Everyday Lotion, and it's actually sunscreen, but you know, sunscreen has that weird sunscreen scent, and also the texture of sunscreen is just kind of like sticky, and it's not the best feeling on your face. Well, Supergoop came out with this lotion. The SPF is 50. It has sunflower extract, and it is water resistant. 80 minutes is what they claim, but I got the big size, and here's a closer look. It looks like this. I guess it's cruelty-free, clean chemical sunscreen actives, reef safe, which is important, non-irritating, no synthetic fragrance, and it is vegan. Yeah, I really love this brand. I've tried some other brands out there, some from like Sephora, obviously a lot from like over-the-counter drugstores, but I love how this feels, how this smells. It doesn't feel like sunscreen. So it's really important to put on your SPF. I feel like people are becoming like, you know, bigger advocates for protecting your skin, especially with like a lot of, ew, what is this? I don't know, there's something weird on the bottle, but I'm gonna have to wipe it off. It looks like poop, I don't know. It's not poop, I don't think. But anyways, yeah, I feel like people are really advocating for protecting your skin now, especially with lots of skin cancer diagnosis. And so it's really important. And I just thought this was super, I don't know, it's a great investment. So I got a big bottle of this, of course, also on sale. I don't remember the prices of all these. And then the last thing I got is from Tatcha. So I ordered 2 things. I got the dewy serum. This is my first time trying the dewy serum. It comes in this beautiful little box. Of course, packaging, when it comes to like women's products, they spend a lot of money on that. But anyways, regardless, it's a really pretty package. This is a 3-in-1 serum that gently smooths with Hadassah 3, plumps with hyaluronic acid, and locks in moisture with squalene for smoother, plumper, dewer skin. I feel like in the winter my skin is super dry, and so I need something with a lot more like moisturizing effects. So I got this one. I have not opened it. This is my first time. Ooh, pretty. And you can just pull it right out with this little I don't know, gold toned ribbon. And then this is the actual product. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the dewy serum, and then the second thing that I got was the dewy skin cream, which I have tried before. It comes in this little beautiful box, and I love the scent of it, and also the fact that it was so moisturizing on my face without feeling so like gunky and just like too much. I actually got like the extra big size, which, wow, it is a pretty big size, but it feels kind of light. It comes in this little, actually it's not little, this big bottle, looks like that, and then it comes with this little scooper. So it's really nice and convenient how they provide this for you. All you have to do is literally slide it out. Oops, wrong way. Slide it out, if it will come out. Oh gosh, where is it? Okay, there we go. Just like that. And then you use this to scoop your product. And again, I used this before, but not this big of a size. Let's see. Of course, they have the little cover here. Let's see, try to take that off. Ooh, I can feel a lot of product stuck on there. I don't know how to describe this scent, but it is this light lilac purple. These are my two mystery gifts. This is the Indigo Overnight Repair, and it's in this little mini sample size. This is Serum in Cream. Compromised skin is renewed with Japanese indigo and ceramides, helps calm visible irritation, replenish the moisture barrier, and balance the microbiome. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Well, I kind of like how this packaging kind of indicates this purple, which also indicates the color of the packaging. This one is kind of like a blue, I guess, to match the indigo. There we go. And if you open it, ta-da, the packaging is blue. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. So it comes in this little package. And then the other gift that I received is this Tatcha the Silk Canvas. Okay, it says, for all skin types, a velvety smoothing balm of pressed silk that primes and makes makeup last longer while keeping it out of skin, helping to minimize clogged pores and breakouts. Ooh, interesting. To use, dot a rice grain amount on the face with fingertips and massage into skin, suitable for face, eyes, and lips. Ooh, cool. Okay, we'll see how this goes. I'm kind of excited to try this one. So it looks like this. And then let's open it. Oops. Okay. Ooh, pretty. I've definitely seen this in Sephora. This is really pretty. There we go. A rice grain amount, huh? I feel like this one smells like the this cream right here, the dewy skin cream. But it looks like this on the inside. And I'm excited to try this one. Wow, okay. So those were my two free gifts, and then these are the samples that I chose. Let's see. Okay, so I chose 3 different samples. One is the Indigo Overnight Repair, which I actually got a little, small size of. And then I got the Tatcha, the Liquid Skin Canvas. And then I have the Texture Tonic. This is a balancing and resurfacing treatment. This one is, it gently exfoliates visibly even skin tone, calms visible redness, and wicks away excess oil. So this is probably better for me in the summer. For dinner, we have Ezel's. This is fried gizzards, which I do not touch. And then mashed potatoes, we got some mac and cheese, then we have gravy, coleslaw, and then of course we have biscuits and chicken. Then we also have this, I don't know how, Fago soda. So this one's peach and this one is firework flavor, which I'm very curious to know what that tastes like. It's that time of night when Bronx tells me that it's time to go to sleep. And you can see his little face pointing out right there. Hi! You're so cute! Is it time to go to sleep? Is it time to go get Miss Lamb? Yeah, I know. He's telling me it's time to go upstairs. All right, we go upstairs. Say good night, everyone. You're such a good boy. Okay, good night.